So this is the condensate pump to the unit. This is for the air conditioning, and for the furnace, since it is the higher efficiency type furnace, it does create condensation. It should ideally be an acid neutralizing pump, which this is not. But if this was ever to leak, I wouldn't recommend unplugging it. I would recommend shutting the whole system down, because all this does is just pump water from this location to either a plumbing drain or outside. So I would shut it down and then give us a call on the number below.
Thank you for watching.